3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, Ultra Hero here. Today we're doing an unboxing of this mystery box. I know what it is, but you guys don't know what it is. And I have my lovely mother holding the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
And so let's see what we got here. And if you guys hear anyone talking, that's just my brother playing the Xbox.
You're watching a horrible channel, mine's better.
Yeah? Don't listen to him, guys. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, okay.
Because you're not doing missions, you're stuck right now.
Oh, here we go. This set is ginormous.
Holy heck, Curdy.
I know, it's big. Oh, this. Okay. Here we go, guys. Get that stuff out of here. Here we go.
I'll throw a box at you.
This is the Daily Bugle. The biggest Marvel set ever made. So I will be doing a proper review of this Lego set. It will take me a few days to build.
So how did you get this Lego set, Curtis?
How did I get it?
Yeah.
I work very hard saving my money up, guys. If you want to get your own Daily Bugle, it's really hard work, but at the end, it's always
worth it.
It's always worth it at the end.
If you want to get money, go to prostitution.
Terrence, that's enough.
But yeah, and Terrence is forgetting this is a child-friendly channel.
I don't give a shit.